Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband. 'Cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance. 'Cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie.
I see you standing there in your hot underwear, and all I can think is where is the ring? 'Cause I know you wanna ask, scared the moment will pass. I can see it in your eyes, just take me by surprise. And all my friends, they tell me, Daisy, you're planning to get on one knee. But I want it to be out of the blue, so make sure I have no clue when you ask, baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something straight out of a Hollywood movie. We're having dinner, and baby, you're my winner. I see the way you smile, you think about the eyes, your wrist in your pocket, emotional looking. And before you could ask, I answer too fast. And all my friends, they tell me, Daisy, you're planning to get on one knee. So now I can't stop thinking about you. I figure out of the clues. So now ask, baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something straight out the Hollywood movie. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. No spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. No spoilers, please. Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man. And I love you 3000. Baby, take a chance, 'cause I want this to be something